Welcome back to Healthwise. I'm your host, Reggie Tatum, and with me today is Dr. Stephen Weibel. Dr. Weibel, we were talking about skincare, IPS skincare. What exactly is that? Well, I mean, you know, because a lot of people will say IPS skincare. Where is that?
Reggie, we're located in the Old Doctors Hospital. We have a clinic in the facility. And what we are offering, it's our new service offering to the community, and it includes a variety of skincare to unmask your inner beauty. We're providing Botox services, dermal fillers, as well as a variety of laser treatments. And it's a service we're real proud of to bring to the community, and we're really excited about the products.
Okay. Well, first of all, let's talk about Botox. Okay. You know, that's something a lot of people are kind of afraid of it. What is Botox?
Botox is actually a natural purified protein that causes muscle relaxation. It lasts about anywhere from 3 months to 4 months. There's no permanent effects, so it's something that you have to administer 3 to 4 times a year. What you can do with Botox is you can soften a lot of wrinkles that a lot of patients have. Most people are very conscious as we get older. The skin loses some of its elasticity and we develop wrinkles. A lot of people don't like what they see in the mirror, and we can help them, give them a more youthful appearance. We inject with a very, very small needle. It's virtually a painless procedure. Small amounts of concentrated protein in certain muscle areas throughout the face to soften their frown lines or their forehead wrinkles or any crow's feet around their eyes. Mm-hmm. It's very effective. Minimal side effects. The biggest side effect is addiction, because once they see themselves in the mirror, they don't want to go back. The dermal fillers is another product we're offering. A lot of times as you get older, you'll hollow out, especially right around here. These are your nasolabial folds, as well as right down here, and that's just a natural aging process. We actually inject, it's a well-known product. It's hyaluronic acid. It comes in multiple brand names, Juvederm, Ultra Plus, as well as Restylane and several other products that we carry. What it does is you inject it in the dermis underneath, in these areas that are depressed, and it'll actually bring in water and give you a more fuller, youthful appearance. It'll tighten the face. Once again, this is not a permanent solution. It's a non-surgical solution, something that needs to be repeated anywhere between every 9 to 12 months. But the results are fairly amazing. It's simple to perform. We use topical anesthetics, so it's relatively a pain-free procedure. Mm-hmm. Some of the other services we're offering.
Well, before you get to the other stuff, a lot of people, you know, as far as we were talking about the Botox earlier, there's a fear, you know, you see, and once again on TV, you watch, what's that, Desperate Housewives or one of these things, you see these people getting Botox, and then they tell you, oh, your face is going to be paralyzed for a whole day or whatever. You know, I just want to kind of talk about those myths or whatever, so people won't think, oh, I'm not going to get that because of that.
No, I mean, you know, certainly you can give the face an unnatural appearance. Mm-hmm. We try to maintain some muscle motion so that it's a very natural, just a softened, a relaxed appearance, not a paralyzed appearance. I mean, some people have had so much Botox that nothing moves, but they can blink their eyes and open their mouth. We tend to shy away from that. We keep it it's just a natural, more relaxed appearance.
Right. But that's over. That's like you said, that's somebody that's abusing more or less than not.
You know, everybody has their personal preference, and we'll meet the needs of the client. You know, all consultations are, you know, free of charge. They can come in and see me. All these procedures are performed by myself.
Okay. All right, and you said something, okay, and then you said you also had, besides the Juvederm, and you said those were done with injections, so that was something that, you know. Right,
it's a small little injection where you place this product right in the nasolabial deficits where they're depressed, and it's a gel type compound. And what it does is it brings in a certain amount of water, so
right.
It actually causes a fullness in your face. It softens your shadows of your face. It gives you a much more youthful appearance.
Okay. And then I think you were getting ready to talk about something else y'all do.
Yes, sir. We have a state-of-the-art laser, which we provide multiple services with. These services are provided by a specially trained registered nurse or my esthetician, who's also been advanced trained in these procedures. And the laser is amazing. It's the only FDA-approved laser in the area for stretch marks. So all the new mamas or mothers who have these unsightly stretch marks that they don't want, this will absolutely soften them, and we get great results with those patients. Also, it provides hair removal. A lot of patients have unwanted hair either on their back, underarms, or other private areas. This device does a great job at removing hair. It's nearly a painless procedure. It's a water-cooled laser. It's very high tech. It does a great job with that. It also is very effective on small spider veins. Patients who have spider veins on their legs or small little vascular veins on their face, and they just don't like the way they look. It's a little bit unsightly. This device will actually coagulate those small veins and cause them to virtually disappear in front of your eyes.
Well, do they have to go for, like let's say the spider veins? Is it something they have to do for repeat treatments over and over?
It's usually about one. It usually takes up to 3 treatments, sometimes 4 treatments, and then if anything, maybe a maintenance of once every year and a half, every 2 years. Same thing with the hair removal, because hair follicles grow at different rates. It takes up to 3 treatments, but after the first treatment, it's pretty amazing.
Wow.
There's other services that we provide. A lot of patients have a lot of sun damage, especially down here where it's sunny all the time, and they'll get these what we call sunspots or age spots of their face. We have a photo light treatment that'll absolutely relax and cause those spots to almost disappear.
Okay, Doc. Well, after this brief break for our sponsors, we'll come back and we'll talk some more about your skincare products and some of the things that y'all do over there.
Yes, sir.